Modu. Get ready to redefine how you interact with your digital workspace with Modu, the modular shortcut management system designed for creators, gamers, professionals, and everyday users alike. Modu takes customization to the next level with physical modules you can arrange to suit your workflow. Choose from 3 types of switches: slides for intuitive push-pull controls, spinning knobs for precise adjustments complete with RGB feedback LEDs, and click buttons perfect for macros and binary functions. Each component lights up with visual indicators, so you always know what function you're engaging. Modu integrates seamlessly with popular apps including the Adobe Suite and Steam, and it comes with its own app to manage updates and configurations effortlessly. It's modular, it's smart, and it's made to grow with your needs. Desk Size Pro V9. Balancing your health with a demanding career just got easier with the Desk Size Pro V9, the ultimate desk bike hybrid. Say goodbye to sedentary days and hello to productivity-packed cardio sessions. The Desk Size Pro V9 features an adjustable seat, multiple resistance levels, and an integrated performance display so you can monitor your stats while powering through your workload. The wide workspace accommodates laptops and monitors, making it ideal for remote workers, students, and gamers who want to stay active. This isn't just a fitness machine, it's a smarter way to live healthier without compromising on your time or efficiency. Iono M02. Step into nostalgia with futuristic power using the Iono M02, a mini PC wrapped in retro vibes. Designed for gamers and vintage computing fans alike, this compact device sports a 4-inch screen, a retro-inspired case, and powerhouse components under the hood. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 77840MS, it delivers stunning performance whether you're gaming, creating, or streaming. With PCIe 4.0 SSD support up to 8 TB, dual DDR5 RAM slots, and a full range of I/O including USB-C, HDMI, and dual network ports, the AM02 is built to handle modern demands while giving you the aesthetic of an 8-bit golden era. It's the best of both worlds, the charm of yesteryear with the muscle of today. Aqara U200. The Aqara U200 redefines smart home security with a DIY-friendly retrofit lock system that doesn't require drilling or complex installations. Upgrade your existing lock and unlock with multiple options: NFC, fingerprint, passcode, or your smartphone. You can even integrate it with Home Assistant and control it remotely. Designed for convenience and control, the Aqara U200 is IPX5 waterproof, powered by a battery that lasts up to 6 months, and supports Matter, the universal smart home standard. Whether you're managing guest access, traveling abroad, or setting home away routines, this lock keeps your home secure and accessible your way. Trezor Safe 3. In a world where digital currency is volatile but ever-present, security is everything. Enter the Trezor Safe 3, a hardware crypto wallet designed with open-source architecture and top-tier security features. This device allows you to send, receive, trade, and track your digital assets without fear of compromise. With built-in passphrase protection and secure elements, even if it's physically stolen, your assets stay safe. A physical verification button ensures that only you can authorize transactions. Manage everything through your wallet interface and stay one step ahead in a decentralized world. If you're into crypto, this is the vault your coins deserve. Massage Gun Extender. Post-workout recovery just got an upgrade with the Massage Gun Extender, an innovative accessory designed for fitness lovers who train hard but struggle to reach sore spots on their own. The extender works with any massage gun, attaching easily and providing a full range of motion to target back, shoulder, and hard-to-reach muscle groups. It's fully adjustable, portable, and designed with a reversible head, perfect for various massage angles and techniques. Finally, no more awkward angles or asking someone else to help. Your recovery routine just became fully independent and way more effective. Nomade Hoodie. Forget what you know about hoodies. The Nomade all-in-one daily travel hoodie takes this wardrobe staple and supercharges it with an astounding 33 features. Choose from 3 stylish designs, each crafted for adventurers, commuters, and everyday explorers. It includes 16 specialized pockets that can hold everything from A4 documents to ebooks, drinks, and even cables. There's waterproofing, cable management systems, and a windproof double-layer hood with earbud access. Made with 360-degree sustainable materials, the Nomade Hoodie is like wearing your backpack, organizer, and travel kit, only cozier. Who said comfort and utility can't go hand in hand? Ergotune Hexen. Meet the Ergotune Hexen, the standing desk that does more than just elevate your workspace. Built with integrated power supplies, modular configurations, and cable management systems, it's the all-in-one solution for tech professionals and creators alike. You get 25 inches of vertical play, a built-in health coach that reminds you when to sit or stand, and style options like honey maple or dark walnut to match your office vibe. The frame supports up to 265 pounds, ensuring stability no matter how many monitors or gadgets you add. It's not just a desk, it's the command center your creative life deserves. Zarima. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to rejuvenating sleep with the Zarima Smart Pillow. Engineered with anti-snoring technology and a height-adjustable air pump, the Zarima adapts to your comfort needs in real time. Use the Zarima app to track your sleep behavior, receive comprehensive reports, and make data-driven adjustments to your sleep habits. Whether you're a side sleeper or a back sleeper, this smart pillow personalizes your comfort to ensure deeper, uninterrupted rest. Tired of being tired? Let Zarima handle your sleep like a pro so you wake up feeling like you actually slept. Zefly. Why swim when you can fly through water like a dolphin? The Zefly is a revolutionary aquatic sport board that brings underwater acrobatics within reach. With dual pivoting wings, users can twist, turn, and glide underwater with jaw-dropping grace and control. Whether you're in the ocean or a swimming pool, the Zefly works for both novices and experienced divers, offering an exhilarating new way to experience aquatic environments. Take a friend with you. This gadget supports 2 people and make your next dive unforgettable. Think of it as jet skiing meets synchronized swimming with a sci-fi twist. Lamat Fixer Mini. Cluttered desks beware. The Lamat Fixer Mini is here to bring order to chaos. This isn't just a desk mat, it's a full organization station. It comes with a wooden charger that includes 2 Type-C fast charging ports, a built-in nightlight for low-light navigation, and a wooden magnetic fixator that ensures compatibility with most mat setups. You can customize it with your logo and store everything from peripherals to paperwork in one smart, sleek zone. Whether you're gaming, designing, or writing, the Lamat Fixer Mini keeps your space neat, functional, and stylish. Like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the coolest gadgets transforming your world.